Okay. Hello students, welcome back to you all. Okay, so in the last lecture we have seen the class and phylum Annelida. We have seen the different systems in case of Annelida. We are going to start a new phylum that will be the mollusk, phylum Mollusca. Hmm? They are also called as the soft-bodied organisms. They call as mollusk, or they are also known as mollusk. Phylum Mollusca. In this class, we are going to see the general characters of mollusk. Okay. Whenever we talk about the phylum Mollusca, we can imagine the shell animal. The soft bodied organisms are the most common examples we are going to take in this case. It will be, wait a minute, it will be, we are going to see the pila. But the famous example we can say in case of phylum mollusca, it will be the octopus. Everyone knows the octopus. So and we also know the shells, shankha, shimpale, jastat, they all belong to the phylum Mollusca. When we talk about the general characters of Mollusca, so they are the bilateral symmetrical. I have told you they how means what are the symmetries and which kind of symmetry there are present. So you all know what are the symmetries and what is meant by bilateral symmetry. Then they are the protostome development. So the protostome, it is a new term for you guys. So the protostome म्हणजे काय असतं की there is a opening. They called as a when we talk about the developmental biology, there if from the uh, what we can say, out later guys. I know, but I don't know the exact word for that. So there is limit body cavity. Then mollusk have a muscular foot. Then there's a foot eye, a muscular eye, and they use that foot for the locomotions. Dorsal body walls forms a mantle, which is a sheath, which is a covering for the internal organs. Most mollusks have the rasping tongue. The tongue, which is used for the sensory organs, they call it the radula. Most mollusks have the open circulatory systems that consist of sinuses except the cephalopods, which is octopus. They have a closed circulatory system. Then the respiration with the help of gills. Some are respired with the help of lungs, and some are with the help of skin. Excretion will be done by the kidneys. There are presence of two kidneys. They call as a metanephridia, mesonephridia and the metanephridia. But in case of mollusks, we can find there is a presence of metanephridia. Then nerve systems is complete and consists of pair of ganglia. Then many mollusks have two larva stages. They called as a trophophore larva or the veliger larva. When there is a stages, there is a larval stages of animals they are found. They called as a indirect development. Indirect म्हणजे काय असतं की there is a knot such as they like young ones, then adult, but there are presence of like stages. Trophophore larva म्हणजे ही काय आहे त्याची एक distinct stage आहे of development. So the eggs does not develop into directly to the adults but into the larva. They call it the trophophore larva and a veliger larva. So trophophore larva कोणत्या याच्यामध्ये असतो आणि veliger larva कोणत्या कशामध्ये असतो we are going to see. Now this is a general anatomical study of phylum Mollusca. We can say these are the visceral mass. So the presence of shell, that is algae covering, digestive glands, stomach, gonads, heart, coelomic cavity, then metanephridium, presence of nephridia, then mantle cavity, which will be the basic foot, then anus is a foot, nerve cords, then gills for the respirations, and a mouth. The tongue, which is consists of raspetum, which consists of sharp, they call the radula. So the presence of radula tongue or the sensory organs. This is a general basic features or the anatomical features we can find in case of mollusk. Then I told you there are presence of larval stages. So this is the structure of Trochophore larva. Trochophore larva, it is aquatic and we cannot say with the naked eyes. We are going to see this is in the microscope. Then this will be the veligal larva, which is a bivalve mollusk, and these are for the cephalopods. So what are cephalopods and what are the bivalve mollusks? We will see now. If you talk about the ecology of phylum Mollusc, so we can see that okay, mollusks live in a wide variety of habitats. त्यांचं जे वास्तव्य आहे it is really very wide, that from tropical regions to the polar regions, high altitudes, low altitudes. So we can say the presence of mollusks we can find in anywhere, in case of fresh water, in case of marine water. So the habitat of the phylum mollusc it is varies with the organisms. Then ecological niches found in mollusks include bottom feeders, herbivores, predaceous and filter feeders. इकॉलॉजिकल निश म्हणजे एखाद्या ऑर्गॅनिझमचं राहण्याचं ठिकाण, एकमेव ठिकाण जिथे की त्याचं ते वास्तव्य तिथेच असणार आहे. जसं की ऑक्टोपस दे कॅनॉट लिव्ह इन टू द तुमच्या नद्या, इन केस ऑफ रिव्हर्स नद्यांमध्ये ऑक्टोपस नाही राहू शकत. सो तर त्याचा तो इकॉलॉजिकल निश आहे, दॅट octopus only found in case of marine water. ठीक आहे. सो देर आर सम वॉटर फीडर्स जे पाण्याच्या तळाशी राहतात, काही हर्बिव्होर्स आहेत, काही प्रेडेटर्स आहेत जे कार्निव्होर्स आहेत, आणि देर आर सम फिल्टर फीडर्स. द मोस्ट प्रेशियस कॅरेक्टर्स इन केस ऑफ mollusks we can find that they are the filter feeders. There are presence of filter feeding organisms, म्हणजे की whatever they like, whatever they want to eat, only that kind of food which will to be enter inside the body, and those food which is not eatable for them, it will be the discard from the mouth or the body. So they are the filter feeder animals. And then a variety of mollusks are used as a food. We all know there are variety of mollusks we are using as a food. And again the pearls. The pearl business is also is because of the mollusk. Now let's say the molluscan anatomy. So we have seen this figure before. So here is the head, foot, visceral mass. There are the presence of different organs inside the shell. Visceral mass म्हणजे काय असतं की there is the presence of different systems we are going to see in case of mollusk also. And then mantle cavity. This is a mantle cavity. You can see which is a covering for any mollusk, and in that covering, under the covering, there is the presence of different vital organs. Now, when you talk about the molluscan anatomy, we have told that there is a presence of open circulatory systems with a heart, blood vessels, and blood sinuses. Okay, so they are having open circulatory system. Most of the mollusks they are having open circulatory systems, but in case of some cephalopods like octopus, they are having closed circulatory system. I have told you what is open circulatory system and what are the closed circulatory systems. Okay, you can see this is the open circulatory systems like heart. Then there are different heart veins, and veins are passing from the heart to the foot. Then now we will going to see what classes they are come under to the phylum mollusk. Okay, so the पहिला आहे monoplacophora, but in case of the recent taxonomists they are saying that ki these class, the animals which are come under to the class monoplacophora, it will be the extinct. So there are no such organisms are present in case of monoplacophora. But there are some taxonomists they also say that there are presence of some organisms in case of this class. So some taxonomists they are including monoplacophora, some they are not. But we are going to see what different classes they are belonging into the phylum mollusk. Okay, so the first class will be the monoplacophora. So these are the single shell mantle. You can see the only असा एक शेल असतो, एक mantle cavity आहे. Then they are having tongue or the sensory organ tongue, radula is present. Then they are having 5 or 6 pairs of gills for the respiration. They are bisexual organisms. Then only I told that there are only 10 species known, which a new taxonomist said that ki they do not belong into the monoplacophora. So the काही classification मध्ये तुम्हाला monoplacophora दिसणार नाही. If you are referring some books, in case of recent taxonomists, they do not say that there is a presence of monoplacophora organisms. They are saying that ki this class has been extinct. They thought to be extinct until 1952. The example of the monoplacophora is a Neopilina galactici. Then we are having polyplacophora. Mono, single, poly म्हणजे खूप सारे असणारे. Okay, so the example will be the chiton. This is a chiton. हा काय आहे? Chiton आहे. Chiton ला काय म्हणतात हे? These are the presence of 8. If you are going to see these are the 8 like segments. So the chitons is belonging to the polyplacophora. It consists of flattened body with reduced head. Again, radula is present. They are having 7 or 8 dorsal plates. These are the 8 dorsal plates are present. Sexes separate, and they are having trochophore larva, but no veligal stage. म्हणजे in case of chitons, in case of polyplacophores, they are having only trochophore larva. Now, these are the anatomy of chiton. You can see presence of heart. These are the plates. These are the 8 dorsal plates. You can see these are the 8 dorsal plates that are present on the polyplacophora. Then digestive system, nerve, food, stomach. These are the common organs you can find into the all mollusk. Okay, so the different chiton काय आहे polyplacophora की these are the different 8 plates are present. Then we are having Scaphopoda. Example, if we are going to see in case of Scaphopoda, tusk shell म्हणजे ज्या long shell असतात त्या. Okay, so the body is tube like, small tube like shape. Then mouth with radula, हे radula आहे, आणि with tentacles. These are again the sensory organs. Then head absent. Respiration with the help of mantles or the skin. And again there are the sexes separate in case of scaphopod and trochophore larva also. This class also extinct in case of recent taxonomy. Then we are having gastropod, one of the largest class under the phylum mollusk. Gastropoda जो आहे हा सगळ्यात मोठा क्लास आहे in case of mollusk मध्ये. आणि all types of snails, you can see these are the some examples of the gastropoda. So the snails and their relatives, they are belonging to the gastropoda. They are bilaterally symmetrical. They are having coiled shape, rounded shell आहे, well developed head आहे, radula present आहे, आणि there are some unisexual organisms or there are some monoecious organisms. Gastropoda, it's the most diverse group. I told you that there are most snails, slugs, whales, conches, periwinkles, sea slugs, sea hares, sea butterflies, and these are some organisms. They are present in case of gastropods. And we are going to see the phyla in details. So you can see these are the anatomical features in case of gastropods, like mouth, presence of some tentacles. Then this is the intestine under the shell. हा काय आहे? बाहेरचा shell आहे, covering आहे, and in that shell there is the presence of different vital organs. Then we are having class bivalves, gastropoda. Nantar again bivalve also a diverse group in case of mollusk. Then there are two shelled. ओके तुम्ही बघितलाय जो मोलस्क पर्ल देतो मूत देतो तर इथे दोन शेलचे आहेत. इथे शेल दोन आहेत का नाही. इथे कसं आहे हा राउंडेड शेल आहे म्हणून कसे आहेत ते गॅस्ट्रोपोड्स आहेत. हे कसे आहेत शंखासारखे आहेत. ओके and these are the शिंपले. In case of just remember that gastropods are the shankha and the bivalves are the शिंपले. बायवाल म्हणजे दोन, बाय म्हणजे दोन, वाल म्हणजे कव्हरिंग, दोन कव्हरिंग असणारे ऑर्गॅनिझम्स दे आर बायवॉल्स. देन बॉडी एनक्लोज्ड इन टू लोब मॅन्टल. हे त्याचं मॅन्टल आहे पण कसं आहे दोन्ही साईडला आहे. ओके देन हेड कसं आहे रिड्यूस झालेला आहे. बायवॉल्स there is no presence of tongue, there is no radiola and there is no presence of eyes. Then they are having gills for the respiration. Again the sexes are separate. They are dioecious animals and they are consist of trophophore larva and the veliger larva. दोन्ही larval stage we can find into the bivalves. Again the most bivalves are the suspension feeders म्हणजेच फिल्टर फीडर्स दॅट डिपेंड ऑन देअर गिल्स. म्हणजे गिल्स मध्ये असे काही गिल्सची साईज अशा प्रकारे आहे की ओनली वॉन्टेड फूड दॅट कॅन बी एंगल्फ इनसाइड द बॉडी आणि जे फूड लार्ज साईज मध्ये आहे किंवा दे कॅनॉट लाईक एंगल्फ दॅट फूड दे विल बी डिस्कार्ड आउट फ्रॉम द गिल्स. देन देर इज नो हेड और नो रॅडिओला. देन व्हेरी लिटल सिफलायझेशन म्हणजे ब्रेनचा जो पार्ट आहे कसा आहे छोटूसा आहे. Then there is the presence of adductor muscles to joining the two shells to the two mantle. They are काय आहे म्हणजे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की शिंपल्यामध्ये क्लोजिंग आणि ओपनिंग सुरू असतं त्या दोन शेलची. तर त्या दोन शेलला एकमेकांशी चिटकून राहण्यासाठी there is the presence of adductor muscles. Some are presence of तेच वेलिगर लार्वा वगैरे आहेत. Then we are having cephalopoda, squids, octopus. They all belongs into the cephalopoda. Cuttlefish, they all are the cephalopods. त्यांचं कसं आहे हेड अँड आईज आर वेल डेव्हलप विथ द रॅडुला. म्हणजे हेड आहे आईज पण आहेत. यू कॅन सी द ऑक्टोपस एक्झाम्पल हिअर. अगेन स्क्विड ऑल्सो. So you can see the presence of eyes, a complete head with arms. There is the presence of arms. त्यांच्यामध्ये कशा आहेत याला 8 arms आहेत त्याला 6 arms आहेत. In case of squids there is the presence of 6 arms. In case of octopus there is the presence of 8 arms. The presence of arms in case of cephalopods. Then very well developed brain and there are presence of they are dioecious animals, sexes separate. आणि दे आर द मरीन प्रिडेटर्स. द सिफॅलोपोड्स म्हणजे काय आहे की हेड फूट. यांचं कसं आहे इकडे मॅन्टल आहे. In case of bivalves, in case of gastropods, there is the presence of mantle. But in case of cephalopod, there is no presence of mantle. There is the presence of head foot. Body shape is unusual. ते कुठल्याही आकाराचे असू शकतात. Then the foot is a funnel for expelling the water from the mantle cavity. They are able to like geopropulsions. Then jaws strong आहेत for the grasping the fish. They grasping the prey. Sorry. Then octopus and cuttlefish have salivary glands also to secrete venom and secrete. म्हणजे ऑक्टोपस मध्ये and cuttlefish मध्ये काय आहे there is a presence of salivary gland to secrete the venom, the poison. to जो काही प्रे येईल त्या प्रेला ते इमोबायलेस म्हणजे काय असतं की तो प्रे पळून जाऊ नये म्हणून काय करतात ते की तिथे ते असं एक ग्लँड्स आहेत तिथे तो असं एखादा सबस्टन्स करतात की तो जर त्या प्रेला त्यांनी मारला तर तो प्रे तिथून पळून जाऊ शकत नाही. त्याचं जे अन्न आहे तिथून पळून जाऊ शकत नाही. म्हणून दे आर हॅव्हिंग सलायव्हरी ग्लँड्स. These are the squid anatomy. Like you can say this is a squid. Squid is used as a food. In case of some countries, the squid are used for as a food. Octopus also. So this presence of these vital organs. Then these are the arms. You can see these are the six arms are present. Hegiate says six small arms and two large arms. स्क्विडचा असा प्रॉब्लेम झालेला आहे की स्क्विड इज अ पॉयझनस and there is not study has been done on to the squids. Again, one more characters in case of cephalopods, they are presence of chromatophores. Chromatophores are the bioluminescent organ where there is a ability to produce light in case of organism. म्हणजे काय आहे की जे cephalopods आहेत, they almost live into the bottom of the sea or the oceans. So to live into the dark, there are presence of some chromatophores which are used for the producing lights. Again, they can also camouflage. म्हणजे एखाद्या मोठ्या शार्क पासून वाचण्यासाठी they can change their body colors according to the surrounding. जसं की आपला सरडा आहे, सरडा बॉडीचा कलर चेंज करतो नाही का. म्हणजे जर तो गवतामध्ये तो ग्रीन बनतो, नंतर if it's on the rock it will be the gray color. So like that there is a presence of camouflage म्हणजे ते त्यांच्या बॉडीचा कलर चेंज करू शकतात to for the offense. These are the some cephalopods which lives on to the bottom of the seas. Then this is not necessary. So these are the some genetic characters in case of mollusks. In the next class we are going to see the different system in case of mollusk. Okay, so see in the next class. Thank you.